What is the one word for overfull as with blood? The correct answer is congested. What is the one word for turning away from a straight course? The correct answer is devious. What is the one word for compel or deter by or as if by threats? The correct answer is intimidate. What is the one word for a damage or loss? The correct answer is detriment. What is the one word for living by preying on other animals? The correct answer is predatory. What is the one word for the property of being richly abundant or plentiful? The correct answer is bounty. What is the one word for respectful deference? The correct answer is homage. What is the one word for declare or affirm solemnly and formally as true? The correct answer is assert. What is the one word for set in motion, start an event or prepare the way for? The correct answer is initiate. What is the one word for an outward semblance misrepresenting the nature of something? The correct answer is camouflage. What is the one word for the condition of being essential or indispensable? The correct answer is necessity. What is the one word for a person without a home, job, or property? The correct answer is derelict. What is the one word for gradually deprive of mother's milk? The correct answer is wean. What is the one word for sudden shock or dismay that causes confusion? The correct answer is consternation. What is the one word for take away to an undisclosed location against their will? The correct answer is abduct. What is the one word for demanding strict attention to rules and procedures? The correct answer is stringent. What is the one word for keep in a certain state, position, or activity? The correct answer is maintain. What is the one word for increase in extent or strength? The correct answer is intensify. What is the one word for wish, long, or crave for? The correct answer is covet. What is the one word for cause extensive destruction or ruin utterly? The correct answer is devastate.